Hey guys, this is Yusif. Today I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of GoProing in your car. I'm going to build a little dash cam for the GoPro. We're going to go shoot my new music video coming up, Daisy, and hopefully we're going to get some cool footage along the way of the car ride there. So I'll show you how I'm going to plan to do this. We'll see how it works. So I have a little GoPro Hero 4 and we're going to, so that's that. It's a little old, but it'll do. And then we're going to put it in this little waterproof type case that came with the kit, and that just snaps in there, and so now that's in. And with the kit you should get something like this. I'll just take it apart so you can see how we're going to do this. Get a thingy like this, GoPro clip thing, and at the bottom we're going to just put some Velcro on there and Velcro that down to our dashboard. And you know, you could use one of those suction cup thingies, but in Kuwait the heat really makes it so that a suction cup is not really great to use. So I think Velcro will be a better choice. And then that way also, you know, if the Velcro wears out, Velcro's cheap. Just put another patch down when the glue dries out. So that'll go like that, and then we'll have two pieces of Velcro I've already pre-cut. So I have one piece that will go like that. And actually I think that will sit on the dash, and then that will go like that, and then that should give us a sweet dash cam. So let's go try it out. Okay, let's see that this works. Okay, just want to position my dash cam first. Let's see. Okay, let me put that strip here. So there's the first Velcro strip. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, now let's see where we're gonna put that down. Okay,
just angle it up.
Angle it up, yeah. So let's do that. All right, dash cam built. Okay, that's the most important part. Let's get it right there. And voila. Let's see, let's drive and see if it. Okay, now we're recording. So alright. So there's, oh, and it's a little wobbly, you know, but what are you gonna do?
Drive slowly. So
there's our dash cam. So hopefully that was fun. Let me know in the comments if you have a better idea or if you tried this out, what you think. Please subscribe to the channel.